got a question and a video from a pilot recently saying they can do Piro flips, but they aren't very consistent. The video showed them doing continuous Piro flips, where each one was slightly different. It moved left, and the next one would move right, and then higher, and it was a fight to keep it reasonably in the same area. It looked like the start position was different every time, which makes things a lot more difficult in the beginning. There were two things I suggested. The first was to figure out the start points. So most people will use tail in when upright and nose in when inverted. We're not doing half Piros here, so this should allow you to do single, double, triple Piro flips and always have the same start positions. The second thing I suggested was counting the Piro flips, they're either 1, 2, 3 or 4 Piros per flip. It may seem a bit silly, but it really makes you aware of what the helicopter is doing, instead of making the stick movements and catching it at the end. This can be done in a few sessions. It's not something you have to keep doing. Think of it as an exercise to get you to the next level. I'm going to let the rest of this video play, and I want you to count how many Piros I do in each Piro flip, and note the start and end positions. Until next time, good luck.